bitch coat now. That's 2. LOM, my niggas grew up at Coast Spot. The time I bossed up on they ass, I got some blow spots. Yeah. 2 R's with monkey nut.
Crazy, man.
Mini chain check.
This nigga done knocked over a bucket of water.
You know what?
I just did
When you
that
said
shit.
that last time, I was kind of tripping, right?
Welcome to Quantae Kennels, real bulldogs, real shit.
You're right.
Stupid nigga.
I am crazy. But you know what else? I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck about you. I don't give a fuck about Steel. And I don't give a fuck about Raheem either.
I almost forgot. Bitch Tasha wore her shit out. See how skinny that bitch is? Shit damn about to go.
I ain't asked for this shit. I ain't asked for the cases, I ain't asked for the bitches, I ain't asked for these haters, guess it all just came with this life. Just came with this life. I ain't asked for no friends or no fake love. I ain't asking for the beef bullshit, just came with this life. Just came with this life. I ain't asked for all the extra shit, it came with the life. Or the lamb chops and lobster, it just came with the rice. 3 bottles of champagne and it came on the ice. Guess the life that I chose to live came with a price. I ain't made the game rules, it just came with the pressure. Paid for 100 grams, it just came with the extras. Bought cut and a sifter and it came with a pressure. Dope fiend, bought one and it came with a tester. I ain't one of these little niggas be rapping, just rapping. I speak on fact shit that happened, I say it happened, it happened. I ain't no little nigga, call it self-trapping, just trapping. I'm out here making shit happen. I want the couche with the matching, bitch. I ain't asked for the cases, I ain't asked for the bitches, I ain't asked for these haters. Guess it all just came with this life. Just came with this life. I ain't asked for no friends or no fake love. I ain't asking for the beef bullshit. Just came with this life. Just came with this life. I ain't asked for these niggas to hate me or show no love. I ain't asked to be nobody envy. In the back of their head, in your face acting friendly. Sneak beef fast niggas, if you want me, come get me. I ain't asked for these hoes to be on my head. I ain't never had to ask a bitch for the head. I ain't never asked for work from my nigga Red. I did what I thought I had to do and he did what he did. I ain't asked for the 75, it came with the chopper. Big cuffs on the waist, came with the Ferragamo. I'm fly, I got wings and they came on the robins at the top. Look at me, but I came from the bottom, nigga. I ain't asked for the cases, I ain't asked for the bitches, I ain't asked for these haters. Guess it all just came with this life. Just came with this life. I ain't asked for no friends or no fake love. I ain't asking for the beef bullshit. Just came with this life. Just came with this life. I ain't asked for the cases, I ain't asked for the bitches, I ain't asked for these haters. Guess it all just came with this life. Just came with this life. I ain't asked for no friends or no fake love. I ain't asking for the beef bullshit. Just came with this life. Just came with this life. Hey, this shit crazy. I want this shit. He don't want this shit. Eddie drop, everybody sell dope, everybody do that. Nigga shine for a minute, but he broke now. He broke. Free money, free, but my little bros free now. Gang. I spent 1,000 for me and my bitch coat now. That's 2. LOM, my niggas grew up at Coast Spot. The time I bossed up on they ass, I got some blow spots. Yeah. 2 R's with monkey nuts, they show stop. Then pull the calicos out, we hit both blocks. I'm like Diddy, nigga, can't stop, won't stop. Me and Nutty was just talking about some more spots. I be thinking about the town that my folks got. But I be focused, cause I know just what I want now. I want it. Got up on my ass like I want this shit. Working hard like I want this shit. Put my life on the line cause I want this shit. Nigga, you don't want this shit. I put it in my mind that I want this shit. Then got out on the ground like I want this shit. I want this shit. Nigga, you don't want this shit. Fuck with me, boy, your client might want this shit. Heard your people been complaining, they don't want that shit. The way your bitch been complaining, I don't want that bitch. If you heard the shit she say, you wouldn't want that bitch. I be hustling every day like I want some shit. Grinding for the day, my mama ain't got a want for shit. I recline her every day, she don't be wanting shit. Dog call, answer first ring, cause he wanna split. I want a chain, wanna watch, bitch wanna kick. Mama wanna get her weed card, sis wanna fit. TG coming home, Jimmy Choo belt with the kicks. And we gon' fill his pockets up with blue strips. Bitch got up on my ass like I want this shit. Working hard like I want this shit. Put my life on the line cause I want this shit. Nigga, you don't want this shit. I put it in my mind that I want this shit. Then got out on the ground like I want this shit. I want this shit. Nigga, you don't want this shit.
The only ones doing this shit, my nigga, we doing this shit.
Let's get this shit again, baby. Let's get this shit, baby.
Yeah, hey,
Let's go.
hey, more money, more problems, that's a fact. Before you try to flex for these hoes, you better stack.
Run it up, nigga.
I'ma just tell it how it is, fuck a rap. You ain't seen me in a minute cause a nigga been at camp.
Fuck you been at, nigga?
Just running my bands up. Damn, the DEA tryna fuck my plans up. I'ma just fuck you when I want fucking handcuffs.
Hey.
If you want love, better get you a man, duh.
Dumbass bitch.
Cause I'm young, rich, wavy. Them orange crack, we slay them bitches like the 80s. My young niggas wild, tough choppers like the Navy. The devil on my back crying out, Lord save me. Hey, cause we living in hell. Used to sleep with them bricks, first was living with bells. Every hour got a spray just to kill that smell. I can afford to take a risk, cause I'ma make bail. Just tucked another 10, I did it myself. I don't fuck with the help, I'm so hot you can melt. Tryna spend it all, double up, fuck buying belts. I remember it was sour, all the fuck niggas
You
left.
seen first 48? Pussy nigga had a chop, got killed by a nigga with a 38. Every day.